Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have an old-fashioned Biming cocktail smoker. So let's get right into it. So in the kit you get basically your directions, and I'll go through and I'll show you how to use this. Right off the bat, when you open this thing smells fantastic. You have a bunch of different things in there. So one, you have a torch. So you need a butane fuel. I like using a Zippo. So it's basically, you kind of like turn it upside down, and then you are putting right on a nozzle on the end, and about a quick 3-second burst, and that is enough to fill your torch for you. So that's what you're going to use to get the smoker going. And then in here you get the smoker itself. So basically, you have a screen that you're putting the wood chips in, and then you're going to light it, cover it, but you're going to do this all on a glass. I'll walk you through it as we go. So you get a couple different woods. You get an oak, apple, cherry, and pecan. Depends on, I guess, what part of the country you're in. You get an extra screen, and then you get a cleaning brush to clean out any of the leftover fibers in there. So we're gonna close this up, put this out of the way over here on the side. So, okay, so you have your whiskey glass, and you wanna put some ice in there. And because of the sensitivity with alcohol, I'm going to be using bottled water to demonstrate how you would use this. So you fill up your whiskey glass. It's been a hard week, so we'll fill it up a little bit. So we'll leave it right about there. So then you're taking your smoker and you're putting it on top. And you're going to be looking for what flavor you're going to be looking for. So we're going to go for apple. So I'll probably drink the water afterwards. So basically you unscrew the top of your can, and it is full to the brim. So I'm spilling them kind of like all over the place. So you want to take a couple pinches of the wood that you're using. And you can even like mix the flavors together if you wanted to kind of give it a little bit of variety, test different tastes out. But so we're going to fill it up to about like that. So I basically filled up probably about halfway, so you can kind of see it. Let me get these wood chips out of the way. My wife, who's my camera person, is telling me to sweep this stuff out of the way. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna maybe come around here and we'll get a better view of this. So what we're going to do is you're going to hold the torch over for a couple seconds, and you'll see it get kind of like on the smoky side, and then you're going to put the cover on, and you can see the smoke pouring down, and that will add flavor into your glass. So let me give it another shot here. Heat them up really good, and then you can see how the smoke is just pouring down into the glass. It's pretty cool. Showing up good? All right, so that's going to add the flavor into your glass, and then you can enjoy your nice flavorful whiskey / bottled water. I tell you what, it actually adds a taste to the water itself too. Nice smoky flavor. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy that. And Brian from Garage Mahal with your cocktail smoker. Be safe out there.